Hey guys, Kyle from PhishCloud here. Last time we talked, I showed you how to get the first person set up. And so here we are in the PhishCloud portal. And you've clicked around a little bit. You got some history, you got some links, and now you need some friends. So I'm going to show you how to get that done today in just a couple easy steps. So I've taken off the extension and I've set up a new user that we're going to add. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So in your menu bar over here on the left, you're going to come to User Management. And in here you have two options. You can either add a single user, and so if you're going to be doing less than 5 people, you can just add them one at a time. Open that up, you can just put in their email. You can select whether they're a user or company admin, and that will generate that user for you. Or if you have a lot of people, you can come into multiple users. You can download the CSV file, which is just 2 columns, email and whether they're a user or company admin, and then you can upload that and bulk upload people. But today I'm going to show you exactly what your users are going to see and then what you'll see once they get added. So here we go. We're going to add in our new user, and we're just going to make them a user. Great, so now they're added, and then you're going to see email come here. I'm going to log out of the portal so you can see the difference between a user account and an admin account. So users obviously are going to have a little less access than the admins do. So all users are going to get this email. There is a video walkthrough if they want to listen to me yabber on, but the easiest and fastest way is just to click the register button. And this is going to come down to a slimmed down version of what you did to set up yourself as the first user, but this is going to be automatically keyed to the email address, right? So email is what we use to tie all the information together on our back end. So we have built a code that ties that in so they don't have to worry about it. They're just going to need to come in here and create a password. Again, it's upper, lower, and special characters and numbers. They're going to click on the terms and conditions. They're going to hit finish registration. And then once that comes through, they're going to get a verification email. And there it is. And then just like you did on the first time, they're going to hit confirm my account. That's going to go and detect what kind of browser they're using. And in 4, 3, 2, 1, bang, they're going to get redirected over to the correct place. And then they will add the extension. And then they'll get to log in. So for ease of use, if you're a Google Workspace shop, you can use a Google login. Again, as long as it's the same email address. So that was sample user 1. As long as I log in with my sample user 1 Google Workspace and those email addresses tie together, everything's going to work just fine. And so they come in here. It'll take a second for their permissions to get set. And then boom, they're in. Okay, now what you're going to notice is they have a few less things to look at here as far as the menu is concerned. They have just history, link analysis, and user configuration. So that's it. So they can see what they've seen, and only they can see what they've seen. And they can do some light link analysis, and they can turn on dark mode and some things like that. So then again, just like you did, head out to Google, do a search, and then make sure that we are connected and scanning. There we go, turning green. And that's it. You can set up a lot of people independently, and they have videos so they can walk through and get instructions on how to do this. And you can set up your entire organization in no time at all. Now, if you're a very large organization, 500 plus people, and you want some automated rollout things like Intune scripts and that sort of thing, Contact us at support@phishcloud.com. We will follow up with you. We have all those tools at our disposal, and we can help you get that set up, as well as setting up single sign-on to make life easier for your people. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day, and stay safe on the internet. Thank you.